Hey, this is Minas Frangos with Empowered2Freedom, and I am so happy you're here. What I'm going to show you today is a whole bunch of information on how to set up a video, the audio, the video, how to edit it, and I'm going to give that all to you today. So stick around, I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm an influencer for affiliate marketing, and I show all my tips and tricks on how to make a video, how to propel your business in affiliate marketing. What I have today is I'm taking you into my desktop here. I have a 3-screen. What I do is, and you don't need a 3-screen to do this, but it makes things a little bit easier because then you can separate everything up. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to tell you all the little tricks that I use to make my videos. For instance, on my screen right here, and I will pull it up so this way you could see it. This is display number 3. So what you're seeing right now is the voice meter system. Now the voice meter system is very nice because what it does is I have my Blue Yeti right here to record audio, but what this does is it goes and allows you to make adjustments so that this way you can have better audio instead of having an echo. I've fine-tuned this a little bit. Now this is a free program, and I will show it to you right now. If you just bear with me 1 second here. Alright, so you go to the VB Audio software website. It's vb-audio.com, and it will pull you up to this site right here where you can download Voice Meter for free. Now just bear in mind, I think this is actually just for PC and Android. So those with Mac, or Apple, I'm not going to be able to use this, but for PC users, you definitely could use this program for free. I happen to enjoy PC. It works better for me. It's more user friendly for me. So once you have this downloaded, this software, you install it. What you're going to do is you're going to go into the settings. Now you have to make a couple of setting changes, so this way you can go from your microphone to the voice meter and have it record the updated sound settings that you programmed in. So you go into your sound settings here, and for your input, instead of having the microphone, which is the Yeti, you would put voice meter output, so that this way any sounds that go through from the microphone go to this, and then this program then sends it out to the computer. So that's the adjustment that you're gonna have to make. Now once that's completed, I'm using I have a Logitech camera, so that's how I'm recording video. It's a C922, and what I did was I went to the Logitech website here, and if you scroll down here, you can download this. And again, this is for Windows, but they do make other softwares that you can use. The reason why I use this capture software is because it's very user friendly. It allows me to use picture-in-picture, allows me to move things around live while I'm recording. I can adjust which screens I want. It's very user friendly, and it works for this application. I used another program before. It was by NCH, and I will show you that right now. This is NCH software. They have video editing software, video recording software. Now I still use their video editing software because I found it to work really well, but as far as the recording software, it limited me in not being able to adjust on the fly as I was recording, whereas the Logitech software just kind of felt a little bit more superior in that way. So now that you have your recording software, you have your auto recording software, now let's get into the good stuff here. We'll get into that a little bit in a second. When you're recording your video, and I'm going to pull you into the Logitech software so this way you could just see what I am doing here. It's probably going to show forever, but that's because I'm recording the screen that I'm displaying. But as you can see here, you have your source one, which is my C922 camera. It's streaming. You could add a border, you could add a filter, you could change it for frame rate, autofocus, image adjustments. Then you have your second camera, your second display, which would be any of my 3 screens. You could have it as a webcam, whatever you want, so this way you could just focus on that, and then right down here you could just switch it up between full screen of my recording, the actual desktop screen, or a picture-in-picture. You could switch it up like this. I mean, it just really works well. I found that it works for me anyway. It makes life easier. So once you're recording, what it's going to do is it's going to ask you how to save it. Once you stop recording, it saves it into a folder on the screen. You're going to go into your software here, and I'm going to show you that right now. Let's see here. Okay, so this is the NCH recording, editing software for videos. So I'm going to make that smaller. Now what you would do is, if you have a video, you can just put that in here. Alrighty, okay, click OK. And now what it's going to do is it is adding that video snippet to my editing software here. So now I can set a start point, I can set an end point, I can then cut that out and drag it down here, and then add different sound. I could change up the sound, I can edit it, I could do special effects on the sound, I could add video effects, I could add text, which, you know, the whole point of editing software is so this way you can make adjustments to the video and I found that this software works really well for me. Now once you're done, you could hit export. You could go right to YouTube if you would like. You could, you know, you have Dropbox, Google Drive, I mean, it has Vimeo. You could put it down to Blu-ray or whatever way you want to download it, or upload it in YouTube's case. Once you do that, if you click on the YouTube, you could put in your video title, the frame rate, you could add a video description, you could add your keywords, and then you could make the privacy mode. Now what I usually do is I put this as unlisted, and I don't really put information here except for just a video title. I do that later on in YouTube. What I will do is I'll research keywords and make my video title that way. But let's get out of this for a second. Now what you're also going to need to do is you're going to have to make a picture for your video. Now what I usually use is Canva, and Canva is, you could pay for it, but there's also a free version. It doesn't let you use all their designs. They give you a couple of different things, but for instance, I'll pull up one of these. Now I can edit it, and you could add a subscribe button, you could take your picture, you could put like a background behind words. It makes it really easy to make a thumbnail for your video. They also have pre-made ones, and as you can see, as I'm highlighting over them, Some are free, and then some are you have to pay for. But I found that this is an easy way to make a custom thumbnail for your video, and have it look really good. So pretty much that is the entire gist of making a video. Just make sure you get the audio right, the video capture right, the editing correctly, upload it. If you've never uploaded a video into YouTube, what you would do is log into your account, and this little button right here, you can go live or you can upload a video. Now if you did it through that video editing software which I showed you, it will show up in your videos that are hidden from everybody else, and then you could just add your information to it. But right now, for the sake of for this video, I'm not gonna get into all that, but I'm also going to get into TubeBuddy, because TubeBuddy is an awesome tool for not only doing research on keywords, but also finding how well your videos are doing compared to other people in the same niche. So it's a really good tool. I hope you found that this video gave you a lot of information. If you have any questions or if you have any remarks, put them in the comments. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know that I'm doing a good job here. And make sure you hit the notification bell, so this way you see any videos that I make, they'll be sent to you, and you'll be up to date on all the videos. I appreciate you coming to my channel, and I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you.